Generating detailed report. Cherry Tree is a note-taking application featuring rich text and syntax highlighting. Using Cherry Tree, you can add images, embed files, and codes. You will be able to organize your steps while doing pen testing. During presentation of your report, Cherry Tree provides clear demonstration. Besides, you will be able to export your report as a PDF, HTML, and many other formats. So first we go to Add Node and we type the name of organization we are going pen testing on it. Then we click OK. So here you can add a brief description about the organization or the scope of your testing you are doing on this organization. So let's add a subnode called networks. So by doing this, we are separating our reports to networks and then the IP addresses that we have tested during our pen testing. So after that, we can just include on each IP address the detail that we have submitted, like a technical description, impact, and the proof of concept. And then on the specific IP address, we add a sub node, and then we add a technical description, for example. And of course, we have to include a section called proof of concept because it's the most major thing that the organization required to reproduce the vulnerabilities that you have found. And this is so required in including through your detailed report. And then we have to include the impact section that explains the impact of these vulnerabilities on your organization. And of course, some of the exploits model could be modified, or you have written your own exploits, so you have to include it in your report. So I have just created another sections that you can include it with the preferred language. In my case, I just choose the Python. So you can choose any language you would like a Ruby or Pascal or anything else. The last thing that required in your report is to add a reference, means the reference for these attacks or vulnerabilities. So that helps the organization closer information about the vulnerability discovered. So this is considered as an extra points on your detailed report and make it more professional and make it more informative. And if you would like, you can add a section called suggested fix, and it would help the organization to just implement the patch as soon as possible. And to export your report, just go to export and choose preferred format you would like to. As a summary, we have learned how to start using OpenVAS and export results into Metasploit. Then we started verifying the discovered vulnerabilities, and we have learned how to cover our logs. And then we learn how to write a detailed report. In the next section, we will start learning black box Metasploit penetration testing.